Our next pitch will be given by the CEO of Neurobright, Stephen Elliott, who will talk about his team's mission to revolutionize occupational mental health.
Hi, I'm Stephen, the co-founder and CEO of Neurobright, and we're creating the next generation of AI wearable devices to help solve the massive problem of deteriorating global mental health. Mental health is something that affects almost all of us, whether it's ourselves personally or someone we know. The World Health Organization has said that 86% of us feel stress around work or money at some point, but yet only 15% of us receive any adequate help or treatment. Now, this could be because we don't know where to get help, we are maybe too embarrassed or ashamed to ask for help, or we simply can't afford the help. So to us, mental health is the real global pandemic, and Neurobright is here to help address that problem. Mental health is the biggest global burden of disease. It's bigger than cancer, it's bigger than diabetes, and it's bigger than chronic respiratory disease combined. It affects more than 13% of the population, which means more than 1 billion people are affected worldwide. Now, this comes at a cost, and again, the World Health Organization has estimated the cost of treatment to reach $14 trillion by 2030. This picture probably looks quite familiar to many of us, and it's no surprise to see that every year we lose more than 500 million days lost to sickness and ill health around the world. 44% of employees report burnout. That's almost half the global workforce that reports burnout due to stress, anxiety, pressures from work, and also pressures from life. But this costs the global economy $1 trillion every single year. Now, this is time and money that can be saved, and it can be saved with the use of Neurobright. Neurobright offers an accessible, scalable, easy to use solution that delivers fast results with similar long-term gains as psychostimulant medication and with absolutely no side effects. And in fact, you'll see here that the award that we won last year was for the prototype that we developed. Now, I hasten to add that that is just a sketch above the award there, but that's part of the development process, the ongoing development process that Neurobright is going under just now. So what is Neurobright? What does Neurobright actually do? Well, Neurobright is a first-in-class, AI-driven, closed-loop, wearable solution that improves mental wellness, increases creativity, improves performance, and increases IQ. So you have a workforce that's happier, healthier, more productive, that's capable of solving problems more creatively, and adding massively to the business's bottom line. The corporate wellness market is set to reach $100 billion by 2027, and my own experience as a corporate trainer and executive coach for over 16 years has taught me that there's a massive need to address the issue of mental wellness within the workplace. Now, I'm fortunate to have worked with some FTSE 500 companies and also Scottish Government, and in most cases I'm approached with the issues around anxiety and stress leading to low mood and sometimes depression that ultimately affects performance. I'm happy to say that I was able to help many of them, but with the best will in the world, I'm only one person. So in order to address the need on a global scale, the desire to create a technology solution that was going to meet the mass market demand is where Neurobright was born. The value that Neurobright delivers to businesses is absolutely huge. Neurobright helps businesses save money by reducing sickness and absenteeism. It helps them save money on recruitment costs from having to replace their burned out, stressed out staff. But Neurobright also helps businesses make money by creating a happy, healthy, positive, and productive workforce that are more creative, intelligent, and better at their job. It creates a positive company culture that attracts the brightest talent to work for you. And that means that you not only beat the competition, but you add massively to your bottom line. More recently, we have demoed the technology with one of the big four accounting firms, and the response was absolutely phenomenal. To the extent that they have been helping us with development, and they continue to keep a keen eye on progress. And we are looking forward to showing them the next stage in development very soon. Quite simply, Neurobright is the ultimate competitive edge. And I'd like to introduce you to the team that have helped make the Neurobright dream a reality. So you heard a bit about me earlier, but I'd also like to introduce you to Colin, my co-founder, a genius software engineer with more than 20 years experience who's worked with the likes of Renault Formula One when they won 2 world championships. I'd like to introduce you to Craig, who's been with us for over a year now. He's an amazing CFO who helps with business and financial strategy planning, and he helps businesses raise 7 and 8 figure funding rounds. So we're delighted to have Craig on board. But I'd also like to introduce you to the newest member of our team, Frank. Now, Frank has over 24 years experience in the neurotech space, and he is the CEO and founder of Neuromotion and the Neuromotion Group. So Frank brings his own expertise and an amazing team of people to help bring the Neurobright dream one step closer to that reality. But we also have an outstanding group of advisors in universities in the UK and also in Germany that advise us on issues on neuroscience, neurology, psychology, and the arts to help us develop the ultimate in mental wellness and performance enhancing devices. If you would like to find out more about our crusade and help us achieve our goals, either as a member of the team or as an investor, we would love to hear from you. So join us and help the revolution of tomorrow's evolution today. Thank you.